users, my name is Anshli. I welcome you all to Bikri Aggregator Services. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we are going to talk about your own aggregator mall. Yes, your very own online business, just like Amazon, Swiggy or Zomato. Now you can add countless online and offline merchants to your aggregator mall, and just by promoting it you can earn lucrative commission that ranges from 3 to 30% per sale or even more, totally depending upon the type of business you select. So stay tuned to this video to more about the whole model, and I shall also be answering all your queries and frequently asked questions about Bikri aggregator model. Here I have jotted down all your frequently asked questions to give you a better clarity about Bikri aggregator services. The most commonly asked question among all is that how do I earn money on Bikri aggregator mall? The Bikri aggregator mall is a multi-vendor model on which you can add shops of your liking on your aggregate. On every sale you earn a pre-decided commission. This commission generally ranges from 3 to 30%, totally depending on the type of business you choose. To give you an example, let's assume I've got 20 vendors added on my online mall that is known as Anjali's Mall, and collectively they earn rupees 10 lakh of revenue every month, and on an average I charge 10% of commission. So it means on monthly basis I'll be earning rupees 1 lakh of income just by promoting my mall and generating sales on it. So the other question is, who provides delivery? You'll be glad to know that Bikri has a large network of delivery brands like DHL, Delivery, Shadowfox, VFast, Dunzo, FedEx and 40 others delivery partners. We'll help you in connecting with them so you and your shops can schedule hyperlocal, that is done within 20 minutes, intercity, that is done within 2 hours, pan India, that is generally done within 2 days delivery. The shops will be able to schedule the delivery from the portal provided to them. You may also choose to add your local delivery partner just by contacting Bikri aggregator chat support, and it will be done within 48 hours. Here's the other question. Do I need an office? No. To set up and run your online aggregator business, you don't need any sort of physical office. You can start the aggregator mall and digitally acquire the shops while sitting at home or anywhere else. However, for offline acquisition, you may need a team to go out and onboard offline physical shops. Here comes another question about the onboarding fees for the shops. So there are no onboarding charges for the shop. They can download the free Bikri app from Play Store and start using the app without paying any cost. They will only pay you once they start getting the orders. So it means that you can freely go out to the stores and start onboarding them without giving them any tension about the money. One of the most important questions here is, as a distributor, what's my role? As a distributor, you'll be doing the following activities, that is onboarding local shopkeepers and service providers, negotiating with retailers for the commissions, doing promotions and taking care of operations and deliveries. What kind of aggregator business can I start? Here are the kinds of shops that you may wanna onboard on your mall, that are food and beverage, grocery, cosmetic, meat shops, fashion shop, mobiles and electronics, service providers like plumbers, tutors, mechanic, etc. You may also customize your aggregator mall based on different categories. You can start your local mall based on location, let's say Karol Bagh, and you can only onboard different stores present in that area or locality. You may also choose one particular category, for example dairy, and onboard all the local dairy stores and start delivering one kind of product or category. You can select one concept or niche, let's say office supply or building complex or home bakers, and you can onboard stores that deal in that particular category. So the next question is, what are the average commission rates? As I mentioned earlier, it varies from 3 to 30% depending entirely upon the nature of the business you select. Businesses like groceries with high volume and low margin generally tend to give 3 to 5% of commission, whereas other businesses like food and beverage, fashion, electronics are usually ready to share up to 40% of commission. I'll be also adding one industry-wise commission table on the screen. You may also take the screenshot of it. Let me explain it further by giving you a simple example. Let's assume you want to open one offline mall. The very first store that you'll be opening is gonna be a PVR Cinema. Reason being, though it is going to give you low margin, but because of having a PVR Cinema, the kind of footfall you are going to get in your mall is going to compensate for other things, and that volume is gonna earn profit for you by getting sales on other stores. Here comes the most crucial question. What are the Bikri's responsibilities? Let me clarify what does Bikri actually do. We provide you technology and e-commerce enabling solutions. We give you a comprehensive platform and end-to-end solution that includes online shop acquisition, payment settlements, and local and national logistics support. We also provide you creatives and marketing material to promote offline and online. We also get your first 20 shops on board on your online mall that help you run your multi-vendor digital trade business. In addition to this, we also conduct time-to-time workshops, tutorials, and we provide you technical and customer support. For better clarity, here is the link. Don't forget to check out our description box. The next question is, how do I add shops to my Bikri mall? Bikri has a network of 1 lakh plus shops all across India. We help you map all those shops under you on your online mall. Other than that, getting offline shops onboarded is a distributor responsibility. We also provide you the content that helps you to pitch the shopkeepers with right kind of messaging and convince them to get onboarded on the mall, by which they can download the free Bikri app. Here's one such message appearing on the screen that has the link to download the Bikri. I'll be also putting down the demo video link so that you can go through it and understand yourself how easy it is to onboard any shop online just by logging into your dashboard. So do check out our description box. It's gonna have the list of all the links told in this video. We hope you find this video informative and helpful. Also, don't forget to share the feedback in the comment box. Do let us know if we have forgotten any question or query. We'll be happy to answer it for you in the comment box itself. Thank you for watching.